County. Monchumuligereria na gukwaniria ndonzi ya sobereta semarogoba yabono chingaki chinde na ngokwaligania semesa ya mangana mayanya gukumanya gati ya twabere to gukwaliganiria kurwase mambia ya lingentambe hokachinse chigobono chiabono marogoba ekero chiara Chinsa Isato chiabo nobotuko nyura lituko nelia ijuma etarikeye mu muti nyokane omwaka buchiri bubere na merongebere nebere na mange habereka okolekana ekero kelibono kanu babere bakwebwatania na gosoa ensemo ya Azimio eyuekane kibuna omobua oka One Kenya Alliance nigobogendrete kubune kalitu kogochi aselinde nabo igoliberra nigoligendrete woka imeye county ya Nyamira asekerego kyobo women rep ayo amo nenda mange na kwaliganira kumanya senchira yobo ikiranu olitokubwaterana nere kurwa sumunu wimanyiririo igakoro kwa Joshua Autsa nenchireterane nkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Na tigatu jake kurwa sensemo ye obolemi karokeli na kwaliganiri oisaranso ike abalemi bekemeligie chae kurwa se factory ya Nyankoba igotoka se county ya Kisii ni gobono chinga kechi banyara konyora maegelio na kiwabwente gokinia ekemeliekyo omulikeito Mirded Mumanyi na roboti rwa senchira yobekirano
chinga kikera esekta egendrete gokina nemerobelio kobekwa bene buna obolemi bwa matoke amarabwoni gatie chinde chinyinge nigo abalemi bechae na baruo batatigiri magaga abalemi bekemeligie chae kurwa ensemo ya Nyankoba ime ya Nyamira nigo bagendrete gochengera ogokora kwa morobelio bwo kwegeriwa oyo oerete abo igoro asebanyorete obomajibwe kerengo ke igoro yoborendi bwe chae
lakini abalimi bale Nyankoba registered bale 26,000 abale active age 20,000
ekerenga gyokor kereriwa okwo nigo kwale abalemi gwancha korenda echa yabo ilio konyora chibesa chingia bosyo bwe bonus
igo to gukwana bali ba ko license Kenya T-Board of Kenya negwenete investigate abantu bali babegete chi machineries chiabo si factory chiabo in Kisii County and Nyamira County nete ba empower abalemi ba minto ko ba fertilizer elinde ba gotore cha ba bairira lakini pio konyoranga fertilizer itokonyara from KTDA para buye batengerete bacha kugule chae KTDA ere involved in fertilizer
ile mtola kole is to make sure bonus ya renge na monthly payments kutoka kwa na mapema by the ne bonus ya renge we have to empower the farmers so that manyenga icha ya gotuta ekana kuira asset management we are working on empowering abalemi manyore monthly payment in time ne bonus is
chinga kiechio nigo bagania abanasiasa kubanyora abalimi bechae asekeria buna baumbirigwe chinga kibale gati abali bagokinia uchumi yense
tumuna abalimi tugwena tukurigereria na kicha itekoba tunye improve improve eto kuboria abantu abasiasa bagende tukanda round tigaba tu support n'abalemi edute chae to yaru factory mapema
ginko reporteria egetaseni kya Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi
Mbiamono omurikito Mildred Momanyi asorobochirwa senchira yoboikirano bono gotigana nere Mildred Momanyi igotokuligereria mangana arengete na siasa na nemeye county ya Nyamira yokoligie kirgo kyobo women represent county ya Nyamira Emiri Nyagarama oyo manyakanite buna liberera digagendrete go semia bantase county yu anene obokoreri bwekirgo kyobo women rep ekerekiria bereka kwanda chinsem ase wiki yengima omurikito Brian Sagni Sena norobochirwa senchira yubekirano
Emily Nyagarama uyu abange bamanyete buna liberera nigo agendererete kubwata liberera kegima ase siasa che county ya Nyamira anene mono ekirokyo women rep ekiamerera mata sentunde ntangani kegima abwase bono abantu ba Nyamira bachikirego cyo kumubwate siasa ganga yokora county yo liberera nainde liberera Nyamira county
twale ko buli abantu baitu Nyamira county omongi na bwe county nerense nero ko biara nero manyeto bakomo bwa monto bantu baitu kamuranje omwana oyo bunagire na endo monto yagulibaga akonya abantu baitu mbia mono
abantu ba minto ba Nyamira mombo atisie ekerenga kiechikura
Inseye wiki yemo nigo liberera aumeranire n'abanyamira kurwa chingongo chonsi abwaseri tukolera rero aumerana n'aba West Mugirango asensemo ya tente abwaseganga yege kaleki yabo kubasomya abantu bensemeyo anene mono egasi umuwakilishi wa bangina gose women representative
rero neri tukolyo moerio ya mangana a civic education as a constituency cheto chons P cha Nyamira county tuachakerete burabu tugakora civic education North Mugirango tugakora yesterday civic education in Kitutu bono rero West Mugirango no more liberera ekerenga gitekenene kiaren keringa tomanye a role yo mu women rep aba minto bara rero ngosoma tuacha abantu ba West Mugirango bons P chi ward chons P cha West Mugirango no bara
bono nigo atigaire nsema tuko emye mona 30 ligo korobo cholyo bonene bwo mwakoyo chingaki emiria babolira babwatani bekyama kya ODM weso kya sobongi starkisa na ibere chomo tyenyoyo ilikomo konya kwirurukia ebandera ya ODM asobo cholyo bokebwe kyama gose party nominations ilikomo konya kwenyolera libaga lyo gotiemwana na bande aseke mina no kyomo tyenyo 5 na 3 chitariki kyanda
mbwa atisie ekerenga kiechikura etogo chakora chaka na nomination eyere yo DM eyeka around 7th of April mombo atisie muanjire chi constituency chance P chansire ngango support bale na inche tinko ba let down mimi mchapa kazi na kazi naijua
liberera nigo boigo aira chinga kichana kweyakira ekoko asebikale bibyansi abwase boigo abasabira abanyamira ko bwatesia azimio la umoja anene mono marabe kyama kya ODM Raila Odinga aseganga yokora ense ya Kenya
Kusitario mongaini naende echamande no ODM igomo support Raila Odinga mogonto marogoro tingo etera chibroka naenda direct narete binto bya Nyami tuanjeranire ODM
Ingo reporter Ndizi TV kurwa sensemo ya tente imeye county ya Nyamira iretere Brian Sagini Isena
Biamono omurikito Brian Sagni Isena hasorobochirwa senchira yoboikirano bono gotigana nere Brian Sagni Isena tumurikiro robotiro ndekero togotigara boigase county ya Nyamira gotokomera no murikito job mahange oyo gotumanyibuna gati yabare kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo baganiriye obochori boime go kurwase byama igo chinga kecho baborri bali bakurigiye birugo byoburayi kone kibuna ngokora bali siasa chiabwa senchira yo morembo robotirwa senchira yobekirano
ime county ya Nyamira constituency ya Kitutu Masaba ward ya Kemera asamatanga asusan Nyachuka umugambi bwensemeyo Obed Nyamweya nasaba abanasiasa kuralia chisera cyabo asomorembe abanasiasa mbasaba gotabeka chiposta asatanche iri
narwo saba abanasiasa mbabasa gutumia abana baito bobe chinga keje bare chirusa mbabasa gutumia abana baito ba boda bobe mbabasa gukora ene incitement mbabasa kwa abana baita marwa
oyo korigie kerogo kyobo seneta ime county ya Nyamira weterekia makia UDA Nyambega Mose nasaba bamenyi banyamira bamoeribaga erinde achikorwanirira obotumeki obuya bwenibo.
The best interest ya community to achieve through devolution has been suffocated through looting and plundering of resources ya abananchi. Eto akita accountability and entrenched na liyo mwananchi arajenchiwe atuare dignified life in this county. Okuna kuko sawa kuane. Igonto chora chikura for the sake of it. We must see very far.
Atati Kengere oyo korigia ekerogo ky'obubunge bwa Kitutu Masaba wetere Kenya Social Congress nateba karachorwe narwanirira abalimi nakweneke buna bagakaba nyumba 10 bakanirwe
nche priority yano kore namangana abalimi mulimi bw'echai mulimi bw'ekawa so that we have money in the pocket of farmers. Passionately pursuing ngabaka bali ba nyumba 10 nabaturete nabarubaye gukibese per month.
Ensemo yende abo bakoriye kerego kyo MCA bwe wodi ya Kemera be akereko kona gosaba bamenyi bensemeyo kuba bwatesia aseganga yabo yokora wodi ya Kemera
nganga tebanga ekereta ligero weka moligererie naende kusabira n'umurembe ekatoyota ndiko beka nyamenza asalfan chikonya balenchi kira sente chaso atachikonya supplementary patch atbaso gati o chikokwanye ntobibele bitoto todo sabanga chikore miremo bune chiro ya Kemera none sima kere bokanya Kemera kebeko
nankoira igongote masana ngana intu seita tu ala horticulture Kemera iteko ekobe green hub tatinga kere ngaki tosimeka horticulture tokuira Nairobi na intwe tuwanelia bantu bandali singe jibando ndunya rwsimeka simiko ndi tutubwate
kurwa se county ya Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Mbiyamono humulikito Job Maange kurwase county ya Nyamira gusuka mutwe uchiaso robot ronde ekeroto kumulekera amangana arengete bigambero litukeri muryoka maiga yumuna chebi no mone Jasmatha Kome utugutera robot rwa bibi yahe ni gobono homo bwa Kenya kwanza obweso kiri na gukwanira enganejo asebate birebuna ekineke rokereriye kenene bune ekigambero nigo gietenrete nigo chinga kechibate birebuna ekigambero nigo It
is important to note that public funds used in the constitutional process were not appropriated by the National Assembly for the purpose, but were rather an illegal diversion of public funds by some public officials who decided to use their offices, to finance politics contrary to the Constitution and the Public Finance Management Act of 2012. We wish to remind the handshake duo and BBI promoters who misused their offices in diverting public funds to the BBI initiative that they are accountable to the public for their illegal decisions and actions as per Article 73(2)(d) of
na boigo nigo chinga kechomo bwa Kenya kwanza anana babunge kurwa asomo bo batebere buna baguchweka motwe ye bunge elikonyara kumanya mbarabe bayitaberente chibesa ichichanyarete wakereka koroboti rwa bibia gosoka nigo batebere bunege tambo keroni okomete kuyimukeri gwa asebonsi bali babwatranete aso wancha chibesa gosoki wa kurwa serikali aso wakereka koroboti rwa bibia obo rwabe togotuguterwale kubwata kabuna ndwa bwatati machiko kolenga
Our members at the National Assembly are moving a motion compelling the Auditor General to undertake a forensic audit on all public funds spent in the illegal process from inception to date. It is now clear the illegality and fraudulent dictation to Kenyans of an illegal process that has cost the Kenyan government huge sums of money, funds that ideally should have been channeled to other urgent needs of Kenyans, is now well manifest in Azimio charades.
Na ibyombe aho nigo bigendete weso kiasiganga yogosira abasa asemerobere yabo ekyombe kyabwango igane ekyombe gya betking ekiyegotoka sensema yemo asomuchu Nairobi igo kyemugete tambo kera soko bakonya abasa ekorwa sensemo ya kawangware ekyombe kyo nigo gyatebere buna eganga yabo no kubakonya abasa bali abatali kwenyara nabo igo bali bagendete we toma asogo ikirania engere yabo ye kiralituko ekyombe kyo gya betking boygo ni kwa mentera kote ababuna abasabange asense ya Kenya anasomu cho Nairobi amune chinse mochinde ni goba kuliga chinchira chowe konya bwase bataranyora oyo kubasira goikirania na wekini ya kubwatekana nogo keno kongo wa uchumi ni goba mentera kote beganga ya benenen no kuligereria na kubasira abasae bali bale neganga yogwe toma asobokoreri bwabo. Boigo torigererie na kumurekera amangana arengete siasa goika se county ya Siaya ni goto kumanya gumuna oyo ligetie kirgo kyobo governor korwa ase county yo boigo kabeiro monogari bomunya abo abanyanyimbo Charles Owino nigamo chirio muri kyo monebwe kembe gya ODM Edwin Sifuna asogo soana na asensemo yobo chori anasensemo yebyama ayaniga go chamatuka makema igaya bwatania bange korwa se kyama gya ODM barokane kwe murunganiria okuro weti ticket ya century ya wabisuko cha sabu atanigete ekarobo choli weme wose nominations wotara kolekana nigo chinga ke Charles Owino atebirubu na Edwin Sifuna tabone tukwe bwatania ase kiama gya ODM anasobo choli ya sensemo yeche county.
Baba is going to be a candidate of a coalition of several parties under Azimio la Umoja to unite our country. And therefore, and ODM's policy is based on democracy and transparency. And remember, Baba fought and put his head on the rail for many years, getting detained for a continuous 8 years. That was just one detention, in order to fight for democracy in this country. And this is the space he fought for, democracy. I believe Sifuna is simply scared of our ability. We, Engineer Gumba and I, if they wanted to hire us, even today, to deliver for ODM, they know we will deliver for ODM. So if they don't want to hire us to deliver for them, then what we are simply doing is to avoid what we call voter apathy. We would want Right Honorable Raila Odinga to get as many votes as possible. We want to encourage each and every person that thinks he can run on any other party to run on that party, so that we don't lose any votes. But most interestingly, I would say that Sifuna cannot deliver for ODM even an MCA seat in Bungoma. And he knows we can deliver for ODM all the seats in Siaya. So we are not at the same level with him.
Na gotikana norobotoro omurai wekyombe kyobotoki DCI Joji Kinoti ni gate birubuna eganga yekyombe kyonokane kibuna kiromo Kenya nkonyora robosubole sobotoki bakora anene asense mu yobotuka amangana gende to kolekana asense ya Kenya Kinoti ni gate birubuna ebine binge bikwa bwaterani abantu ni go bigotwaro botutukana amone bitango awe engentona na bate biremba chikoene kyabune kyombe gya DCI ngoikirani barobokariyo buyago chi asaba Kenya ni chinga kechi atebirubuna nare tayari kuimukiro getambukiro kende gyonsi asegangere koikane kubuna abakenya wanyoliro bosibole bwabo.
Assignment I was given was not a simple assignment. I was taught, you have been my mentors as far as spirituality is concerned. I've faced difficulties, persecution. And I remember there's one time bishop. Everybody I hand here, they are literally crying. They all went to prayers that Kinoti is going to be committed to jail and all that. I say from the bottom of my heart, when if I was to go, I was to go for Kenyans. It is not because that I'm done any wrong, but you know what is happening in our country. But because of your prayers, steadfast prayers, God has upheld me. And there is one thing I've said, I would rather go in any way, but never to betray the faith you people have had in me. And what I can say, God has heard your prayers. Continue being with me. Continue praying with me. Telling my brothers and sisters here, these universities, we do follow them, but in greed has taken center stage of everything, to an extent of cheating the very people we have been given charge to serve.
Na boigo gotigara asamangana arengete na siasa omo wa One Kenya Alliance gosoka igona babekirese iyo koigwana no omo bwa Azimio ula umoja omurikyo monebwe kyama gya Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni nigatabira buna omuraibwe nso muskuru Kenyatta nigene kyoko beko wese ye yo gati ya Oka na Azimio ula umoja igona barosiri omo omanya kantebu na Azimio One Kenya Coalition
form this movement of Azimio and get it where we are today, where we have signed to the documents in agreement with what has been led, or the summary that has been led by the SG of Wiper, and see that the President has guided us by signing into the document, not because of what there is for any one of us or for any one of the parties, but because of what this document or this movement stands for Kenyans. It's a movement that stands for the unity of this country, a movement that stands for the continuity of the development agenda that we have experienced in the last 10, 15 years, a movement that deals with the inclusivity in the management of the affairs of this country. And we are signed to a document that talks about the need to have shared prosperity. We know as we go forward what the other side stands for. It stands for those who are not keen in supporting funds like CDF, funds like the Ward Fund, the Equalization Fund, has no room for the pastoralists. And what we have seen in the recent past, makasiriko mingi, watu wa porojo, na sasa they have topped it up with matusi ambayo haijasikikana dunia hii. And we want to promise Kenyans that we will work together in the most decent manner, led by our President for the 5th term, Raila Amolo Odinga. We will move across this country together. And again, once we are through with looking for votes, because we know we'll get the votes, we will be guided by those ideals of inclusivity, unifying the country, and ensuring that every one of us shares in the prosperity of this country without any form of discrimination. So I want to thank our colleagues. We in Jubilee will work within this formation.
Na maiga yokorosigwa kwa bomo Azimio One Kenya Coalition ya soko bwatana kwa bomo Oka na Azimio la Umoja igobona sentunde ntanga niritukolia nkyoba gochokotarira account ya West Pokot kolenga nabamenyi nabo nabarayikorwa se account yo nigoba liganiri omo buli tukolia nkekero bagochiwa kereko ko omurayi bwekyamumagia odemrera morodinga anana sobo choryo bonene buli bosio.
The first day of a serious political rally in West Pokot tomorrow. I want to welcome on behalf of Kenya Union Party, on behalf of Pokot Nation, on behalf of my party leader, Honorable Professor Lonyangapuo. We want to invite our next president, the 5th president, Raila Amolo Odinga, tomorrow, and his colleague, Principal, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka. So mina sema wa Pokot tuko tayari kupokea mtoto mpichi ambaye tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 tunaenda straight nayo na hiyo mtoto State House. Hiyo ni mtoto ni Azimio la Umoja One Kenya.
Na boigo chinga kiechio kanu ni gobona barakane boigo kwebwaterane kyandage 10 asobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja kolengano mulikyo monebwe kyama gya kanu nikisalati kiboko kirinse ya Gideon Moi ni gobona batebere baguchiko mwakere koko omora bwe kyama gya odiamrera morodinga asobo chikobo murayo gatano bwense asobo chori bo chiko kolekano mutinyo gatano na gatato omwaka yiga bwikiri bubere na merongebere nebere nigo nikisalati boiga mentereka gote abuna kanu ni gobone wichiko bwaterane kyandege 10 no omo Azimio la Umoja.
We're here to announce the formation of Azimio la Umoja One Kenya political party, whereby it's taken a long road to get us where we are, and we are happy to get here to say from here going forward we are now going for the real politique. From the boardroom, we're moving on to now actualize this formation of these partner members who have decided to work as a team for the betterment of this country. And from here, we will speak with one voice, we will act with one objective, and we will give our team leader the necessary support, and our team leader here being the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, the necessary support to actualize, to push him to the presidency of this country against that which we all know, the other side, which we all know, and I repeat, we all know it will be a total risk to the people of this country to empower that other side to handle the lives of everyday Kenyans. So I say that we are here to really move as a team now, forget about the past, we've come a long way, and now we are solidly behind our team leader, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga.
Monchu muligiriria hinyorabuna niko gendete ko yatengera yonsi wetera Ndizi TV obwansu bwo mugusia soroboti rubuna kanu kwe bwaterane kyandege 10 na Azimio ni gorogotwambo kyago kya sensemo yechigosori yakeroto kumurekara National Super League NSL ni gobono ego chikobutoka na goikomoeli yo asentunde ntangane ase ikendi ya chigosori chabere chiko gosorigwa na boni gomulike iton demo Steven captain number 001 anyara koligerelia na kumuleka stimu chiagusi na kichiabere chigokora anena Shabana na FC amuno chinde na kichiabere chigokora ase enkoyeyo ya NSL roboti ro senchira yobekirano
Chitim chikoriga ligumano asoro gongoro agusi ase gosori yenko yon Shabana FC na Gusi FC echo chikogosori mea National Super League NSL. Entunda ya NSL ya eta nigo Shabana FC ya kolete namba 5 na 3 ase Gusi FC yarenge namba 10 asobo gosori bwayo butangani pi imea NSL. Ugochaka gwentunde NSL season yeye nigo yarerivagarie chitimu chionsi gochaka buyese giyogosoa imea FKF Premier League wetera kobase chitimu chintangani Isato imea NSL goikera bono ni NSL itigaretie gosoria yementunde ntangani first leg ere.
Hii msimu kitu ambacho tumefanya kidogo, tumeongeza makali kidogo kwa safu yetu ya ushambulizi, na pia pale katikati tumeongeza makali kidogo, na tuna matumaini ya kwamba kulingana na wachezaji ambao tumeongeza wageni kwa timu na ni experience kidogo, tunayo matumaini ya kwamba wataweza kusaidia na tuweze kupandisha timu kwa Premier.
Gusii FC nigo yatwarire ngakienko ngwabwase yabwire chigosori Isato chioka ase 15 ya gosoriri nonya yabwata maroro yoko gosori buya season yeye.
Season yeye we are aiming for a top 5 finish, but if all goes well toko reno a playoff position to nyare go join a Premier League, we be glad na
ase Shabana FC nigo yatwarire gonjuriri kwa moro kio monene ase bono yareto yokabeiro mogosori oyo mukuru Sami Okot uyuonya konyire ko base chitimu chintanganinye imea NSL goikera bono
chendo chenga sinsi achaga ase timu ye aba mrendo cho baro kereri tikire tikwende tactics cho wa kumpira mpaka ndio kubwatia amangana ya takira ase soka.
So hatutogopa kuchange team kwa sababu wote wana need kuzoea na waingie kwa hiyo system kusudi team isaidike.
Tunaenda kuwork on striking sana ndio tuko chini na midfield.
NSL ningeregatia chiligi chiwato bwamererio botindi mono imea Kenya astorabe tukubwate chitimu chionsi emerongevere na koranchiri chichirasoe imea KPL omweli bwentunde yeyo bwamereri
yale korra bya mono sana bono wikira bono ganturo chenga aso maine bwa magana etimu ko bandira baso asiri otherwise isa ko genda muna tole tindo chi ko takene nje okera tanga ase timu ya sabana si ikira bono.
Elietalia nendemo Steven Captain 001
Captain 001 nambia mwana soroboti rwa senchira yobo ikiranu kurwa sense moye chigosoria manga chigosori litukolia nge Jumamosi naliyokonyora mange asomurobelio obo chigosori munchu murigelia buna botambe etalikeye mumutinyokane abangeni wa maiteli litukeli buna Fool's Day ikona umuntu ali kungana litukolia lero asokote ya mangana yobuli mokubwata kanwa litukeliga etalikemo omutinyokane buna botambe igoli manyekante na Fool's Day litukeli igoli ya chagete useni igoli ya manyekane tebeno buna Fool's Day aso mwaka weli weyemo chimia isano na ibere 1700 alibono litukeli yenyarete kumanyekana una Fool's Day ayo na yakolekana tenga kejo kolende aso mwaka weli weyemo chimia isano na ibere emeronge 5 ne 3 na kianda 1789 nalibono omonogolio mutangania sense ya Amerika abete kago chorwa se bunge ya Amerika omonogolio mutangani pigo chorwa sense ya Amerika osase bunge yense ya Amerika igacholetwe etalikeyemo omutinyokane omwaka boli bweyemo chimisano na ibere emeronge 5 na kianda 1789 ayo namwana akolekanete asenga keyo stalikibune chalero umutinyi buno yorera oikira buno nko yakera omusumali amangana amayomo ncho muligereria senchira yobo ikiranu ulione kichibi chamu nelyo gichi yawikira senchira bo ikiranu igakuruka Petronira Mokera nabo igokurwa sensemo yimanyererio igakurukwa Joshua utabali ulitukolia nkyo moko ende sabatonko batonko baganire sabatengia abigobona mwensi onko baganire butuko bya nayo muligereria asogo chara gotengera Ndizi TV obwanso bo mugusito bwati gwetera sensemo yemtendao ensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News nabo igensemeli ya YouTube anakina kwalikira una Ndizi TV News onyara konyora jwamo na yanda manga ikirabuti yanyako musumali torobo tukobi ya tomene tukolia Jumapili gaiga hase ensemo yegesinga 12 chamambia veterana nchenkuru ko Vincent Onyancha.